Yo, what's up YouTube? It's me, BadChoiceNoah, and today I'm going to be showcasing some cool animals at our shop. Some of the coolest, even though all of them are cool, I just want to showcase some really awesome animals in my opinion at the shop. So let's go. And first animal that I will be showcasing is Fetty WAP. The reason being, I named him, obviously. He has one eyeball. The other one, we think there's something in there, but it just doesn't really work. So this was back when Fetty WAP was popular, like the rapper. So I named him Fetty WAP because they have similarities of having one eyeball. The reason why I chose Fetty WAP first is because some people ask me if I've ever owned a snake or anything, and the answer to that is I have not personally owned a snake, but I have personally owned a bearded dragon. That's actually my only reptile I ever actually owned that was mine, right? I had it in my house and stuff like that. His name was Stevie Y, and that stands for Steve Yzerman. Obviously, we're here in Michigan, Detroit, and Steve Yzerman was the captain of the Red Wings at the time. So I named him Stevie Y after him because I really like hockey and I always have. So, you know, bearded dragons, always been one of my favorite. They're literally little dragons, you know. It's just so cool, and they're just awesome pets, you know. They're just so tame and so nice. They're just cool to look at, you know. First animal I'm showcasing, Fetty WAP. And next up, my mom is going to be showcasing one of her favorite pet, whatever kind of thing you want to call it, here at the shop. And what do you got here for us?
What I have for you today is our Lychee Gecko, Big Bertha. She is super cool, very neat animal. I think she's already like doubled the size since we got her. Yeah, she
definitely got a lot bigger.
She has, and the thing is she's got a lot more growing to do. These guys get really big, which makes them even more awesome. And she's got such a sweet personality, and I've been into different geckos over the years, started with say cresteds and stuff like that, and this one's definitely in that family. To me, honestly, when I see these, it reminds me of Reptar from the Rugrats back in the day. Yeah, that's always what I think of. Yeah. So they kind of have that dinosaur-like kind of quality. I could definitely see them being around back in those days, but she's a sweetheart. Love her to death. Actually looking forward to maybe adding a few more of these to the collection too.
For sure. One of my mom's favorites. She's always like geckos, and for some reason, I don't know, it just, everyone's got their own little thing. I think they're awesome. I definitely like the lizard family for sure. But yeah, she's an awesome little pet. I don't really know what they do. Do they have any special powers or anything?
Well, I think if you look, she's got these really crazy eyes, and if you look really deep into them, I think she can hypnotize you.
No. Actually she does. She not the hypnotized part. She changes colors. So yeah, like camouflage.
That is true. Yep, she can get real dark and real light.
Yeah, because I was holding her a second ago and she was dark, and now my mom's holding her and now she's light, so obviously she likes my mom better. But so that's my mom's. And let's go see what Eric's on about. Alright guys, pixie frog time. You know that Eric, this is his favorite job in the entire shop, is feeding the frogs.
I like eating and I like feeding, okay?
Exactly. So we're gonna showcase this pixie frog. His name's Chubby Monkey. You guys already know, but we're just I'm just showing everybody the pets here, and so let's get right into it. Show you how he just devours this guy.
Here you go.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Dude. So this is why we like Chubby Monkey. He's an animal. Well, obviously he's an animal, but I mean like his attitude is very animal-esque. Just destroy him. He's very cool. Showcase him. He's a very cool pet. He's gonna get huge. If you guys have seen Jay's from Prehistoric Pets, it's literally bigger than anybody's head.
Like, oh no, they get massive. Massive.
It's huge. So I'm very excited. It's probably gonna take like a year or two for him to get that size, maybe longer, but still, it's cool animals. This was just like a fan favorite or a crew favorite. Chubby Monkey. But now we're gonna go show Eric's favorite. Let's go do it. Fine, you're fine. If you get bit, it's no problem. I mean, it changes all the time, but this is your favorite. This is your favorite right now.
It's my favorite at the shop, I'll say. These and the mangroves, but I don't want to pull the mangroves out.
Yeah, that's a little sketchy.
Animated.
Yeah, don't do that, please.
I'm trying to go on vacation.
Yeah, please don't do that.
No. Let's pull them out.
Yeah, you got this.
The only problem is here at the shop, you feed all the animals. They literally know feeding day. They can smell it in the air. Let's hope this goes good.
This is a black-tailed Crebo.
No, I'm not doing it.
Yes, dude.
I'm not doing
it's a black-tailed Crebo. You got it. You got to open. Dude, you can't just have the cage open, dog. Nice, dude.
Oh, do I like them? You see this thing? I never knew Crebos were this size. If you can see my hand, the girth of this snake, look at those large scales, girth.
The girth.
Well, the girth. But honestly, the size of the scales and just the color of that like black tail. They also have these really, really beautiful markings, as you can see, kind of right behind the head.
Super cool.
And underneath his eyes. It almost looks like a cobra that isn't hooded up.
Right, right.
But these guys are just really fast, you know, crazy predators.
Awesome.
And they literally don't even constrict. They kill their prey with their jaw pressure. So not one you want to take a bite from. Absolutely beautiful.
I agree.
Just the power and the size of this animal. And after just...
Whoa! I almost got hit in the face.
You almost played yourself. You sold your own poison.
You can put him back now. I don't want you to get bit.
Thank God. Oh.
Nice.
And that's my favorite.
And you said they have really strong jaw pressure. Are they, do you know, like on the rankings list, like how much they are?
I want to say out of the snake world, since most of them either inject you with venom or constrict you, I want to say they're one of the strongest, if not the strongest. That real crushing power.
That's crazy.
So.
Ooh, I wonder if I can get Chewy over here and try to get him bit by it.
Yeah, Chewy's the guy. Chewy's the guy. Listen,
dude,
I ain't no Chewy, I'll tell you that.
That's a good idea. I'm gonna talk to my dad when he gets back and try to get Chewy bit by the Crebo.
You need to put a little pain meter on him and kind of see. Like,
yeah. I wonder how bad it would hurt.
It'd probably hurt pretty bad.
All right, cool.
He's a big tough guy though, I don't know.
All right, guys. Next we have up, obviously, the Tegu. His name is Tazzy, correct?
Taz. Oh,
Taz.
Argentine blue.
This guy is super, super cool, and he's actually surprisingly pretty friendly. I don't know if that's a common thing, but he's pretty chill. I
think it's different with all kind of Tegus. You can get a psychopath one, you can get a nice one, but it seems like the guy who gave this to us really worked with him.
Yeah, for sure.
Kind of really tamed him out.
So this is just one of the cool animals we have at the shop that I believe will be in the reptarium.
Yes.
So you guys can visit it one day. We're just gonna feed them. We're gonna feed them like a rat or two or a mouse or two.
That's a hell of a bite if you get bit. So.
Ooh.
You know what's funny? It's almost like he mimics killing it, even though it's already dead. Yeah, he's a beast.
Obviously, I like snakes and stuff, but lizards are just so special to me. I like them better, I guess. I don't know. They're just...
It's like a real little dinosaur.
Exactly. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, it's just like, it's really, they're crazy. Let's give them one more.
Should we feed them another?
Yeah, one more for good luck.
Yeah, work for it. Yeah! The only problem with these things, it's like a goldfish. You have to limit their food. This thing would eat until it died. You know what I mean? It would just eat. That's it for him.
Yeah, so again, this is our Tegu, Tazzy, or Taz. Crazy cool animal. Let's get one last look at him. He's just chilling, and Eric was saying that these guys have a really crazy jaw or something like that, so I don't want to get bit by him.
You know, that's funny you were saying that when we had him out with your dad, he was actually biting on his shoe, so yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if he did that to you too.
Yeah, I know, and these shoes, they don't have much protection, so that would suck. My dad's not here, but I would imagine he would say one of his favorites is probably RJ. He likes RJ a lot, So I'm just gonna show you guys RJ. We show him all the time, but he's a cool little guy. He's still an alligator, so he's scary to me. But my dad's like, no, he's a dog. He's a dog. No, he's an alligator, not a dog. But here we go. He's a big boy. Like, he doesn't look that big in camera, but trust me, this guy's big. So that's RJ, another cool animal at the shop. Nova, another really cool animal that we have. He's crazy. He frills up. I mean, he looks like a lion. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy, but really cool animal again. And that will be it. Thank you guys for watching the entire video. If you did, real quick, I want to shout out If you guys like the beat in the background, please, it's my friend. He's actually super good at making beats. I will link his channel down in the description and the pinned comment. If you're watching and you like music or whatever, or you make your own music but you can't find like beats or something, make sure you go follow my friend. His name's Quali2500. And he's actually super good. He makes beats literally every day, and he needs some more recognition because he works super hard, you know. So shout out to him. He lets me use his beats and stuff. So if you're ever wondering where I'm getting my beats from, it's probably from his channel, so go check it out, linked in the description like I said. But besides that, thank you guys for watching so much. Please like, subscribe, and turn those post notifications on, because you know YouTube's been hating on me recently, and I'm not even gonna get into it, but YouTube's been hating, and they don't want to see me win. They don't want to see me winning. That's all I'm just gonna leave it at that. So anyways, thank you guys. You guys are dope. You guys comment all the time. I try to comment back. There's a lot of you guys, and sadly I can't sit on there all day and comment, but I do appreciate every single person that comments and everything like that. Other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.